Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. First let's talk about its design and build. The iPhone 16 Pro Max incorporates a titanium frame, offering durability and a lighter feel compared to the previous models. Both the front and back are protected by cornering made ceramic shield glass, ensuring excellent scratch and impact resistance. And at 163 millimeters in length, 77.6 millimeters in width, and 8.3 millimeters in thickness, and weighing in at just 227 grams. For protection against water and dust is a IP68 certification with colors available in black titanium, white titanium, neutral titanium and desert titanium. Now let's talk about the display. It's a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display, a very long name for a display, that has a 240Hz refresh rate, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits with a resolution of 1320 pixels by 2868 pixels. It offers sharp and clear images, ideal for multimedia consumption, and also allow users to glance at key information without unlocking their device. For performance, it's powered by the Apple's new A18 Pro chipset. The iPhone 16 Max delivers exceptional speed and efficiency with a RAM and storage paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB to 1TB of storage options, and runs on iOS 18 with fluid animations, enhanced customization, and regular updates. Now let's talk about camera system. It has a main 48MP wide camera with dual pixel PDAF, sensor shift OIS for sharp and detailed photos with a 12MP telephoto lens and a 48MP ultra wide lens. And for the selfie camera, it has a 12MP sensor with OIS and SL3D for portrait shots and accurate Face ID functionality. All of those can also capture at 4K up to 120 FPS. For battery and charging, it has a 4685 mAh battery that has support for wired charging that can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes, and wireless up to 25 watts. For audio, it has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos to ensure good sound quality, but no headphone jack. For connectivity and features, it has 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and for ports it has a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort support, and satellite communication for emergency calls and SOS features. And there you have it guys, that's the in-depth review of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you learned something new, and see you in the next one, and bye!